Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Nathanie, and this is my channel. We do makeup, we do challenges, and we do vlogs sometimes. And to my returning subscribers, hey family, how you doing? Thank you for coming back and watching me again. And if you are new, please be sure to subscribe and to like this video. So, you're probably wondering why my hair is wet and not done. No, it's not a look. I'm actually in the process of getting my hair blown out, so I just thought that I might as well bring you guys along and show you guys what I use and all that stuff. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what I use for shampoo, conditioner, etc, etc. So the shampoo I use is Pantene Repair and Protect shampoo. This is just a little bottle. I usually wash my hair twice, so I wash my hair with the Pantene, and then after that I go in with Dermikelp. So it is a shampoo that helps with itch relief shampoo. So I have a really bad scalp. My scalp is forever dry, and this has really been helping me with that. I use it all the time actually, but it's like running low, so I'm gonna have to go buy more. But I've been using it a lot, and the reason why my hair has been like damaged, not my hair, my scalp, is because I bleached my hair I think like twice, and it was a few years ago, and then I decided to go back to black hair because I was just like, my hair is dying and it looks like thin like paper and just rough, so I was just like, let's not. And ever since then my scalp hasn't recovered. It's always like scabby, and that's why I try almost anything just for my itchy scalp. So I washed my hair, the second time I washed my hair with this, and it's been helping. And then also I condition with the Pantene Repair and Protect conditioner. But with this conditioner, my work colleague has let me know, well, we spoke about it, and she said that I should put in like a few drops of lavender oil. Sorry, I should put a few drops of lavender oil in my conditioner and then keep it in for a bit longer, and that helps apparently like calm your scalp. So I've been doing that recently, and I really have been liking it, and my hair just feels so much softer afterwards. And that's mostly after that. When I have conditioner in my hair, I detangle it. So I usually just use a wide tooth comb just to detangle my hair, and then after that I'm ready to blow out my hair. I usually blow out my hair and I straighten it. So what I usually use as I used to use for heat protectant, as a heat protectant, I use Tresemme, but I finished it and I was just like, I'm not really in the mood to part with money, and I've always used to use this, and I just don't know why I haven't used it in a long time. So I recently have been using Bone Straight. So Bone Straight is a conditioner and blow dry lotion. So I've been using it for quite some time, and I actually love how it makes my hair feel afterwards. So usually when I am finished washing my hair and I'm ready to blow my hair, I usually put this on, but I put a small amount on because if you put on too much, it can make your hair a bit sticky. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. I use quite a lot, so that's how much I use. And then you just want to put this on your ends, not on your scalp or anything, just mostly on the ends. And then the rest you can just push through your hair. So I'm going to show you the blow dryer I've used. I've been using it for a very long time, but this is the blow dryer I use. It is actually, I don't even know what brand it is. Yeah, I've had it for so long, probably like since I've been a teen. But this is like the blow dryer that most hair salons, hairdressers and hair salons use. It's a really good one. It's very powerful. And yeah, so this is the one I use. I don't know, everything is like, all the information is like gone, so I apologize if I find it. I probably will put it down below. I think you can get it at Clicks. I'll definitely put it down below. And then this is the straightener I'm using. It's a Toni & Guy. Does it have a name? I'll also put it down below if I find it. I think you can find both of them at Clicks. But this straightener is so great. I saw my cousin using it and I was just like, I have to get it. It is really such a good straightener. So what I usually do I blow out my hair like section by section, and then as I blow it out I straighten it as well, because I don't like having like to go back and straighten it, so I might as well just do everything at once. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to part my hair with an elastic band, and I just usually use my fingers because that's just the easiest. Okay, and then I part it in the middle, so I want both of them to be to the side. So, and then this is the blow brush. And this is the brush that I use to blow out my hair. I bought this brush at Discam. I think it was like 30 rand, I think. But I've had this for a really long time, and I usually look for brushes that are exactly like this, very thick in the, like, it's very sturdy. I don't like the thin ones. It just doesn't go well with my hair, because then my hair is not going to be blowed out properly, and I want it to be blowed out properly so it can last like the whole week. So this is the brush I use. If I find it online, I will definitely put a link down below. So what I do is, with my hair, because my hair is very curly, what I do is I put it usually on top, so I curl my hair and then I blow it down like that, just so it can be tight, not tight, let's say it's very it's straightened out by the root and not yet at the bottom, because I need the root to be good so that the rest of the hair can just go away, whereas because I'm still gonna straighten it after that. Okay, so I usually just make sure that it's completely dry. It doesn't matter how it looks. If it looks crazy, it doesn't matter, as long as it's completely dry and you feel like the roots are smoothed out. So what I usually do now is go in with my straightener. After I'm done blowing my hair, I take the brush the way I exactly how I blowed it out. I just straighten it like that, and I try to keep it as straight as possible. And you also want to kind of not pull your hair, but you want to like have a bit of tension so that your hair is completely straight. Disclaimer, I am not a hairdresser by any means. I just know how to do my own hair, and your hair might be different, but your hair might be different, so please take everything I say with a grain of salt, as this has worked for me and I don't know how it would work on your hair or your hair texture or whatever. I'm probably just going to fast forward through everything, and then I'll probably just show you guys how I do it. out is when you have to blow it into the direction that you want it. So if you want your hair to be like this, then you have to start blowing everything this way. But I like my hair to be in the middle parted, like middle parted. So now we're just gonna blow this out and then we will be done. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I've done all of that. It usually takes me about an hour to actually do this, but right, it usually takes me an hour in total to do this blow drying and the straightening, and this is the finished product. This is what my hair looks like. I try to do this at least once a week, and then because that's a lot of heat for like a whole week, for a day, so I let my hair rest the rest of the week. Usually if I do go to the gym or whatever, I usually wash my hair and I ask my mom to plait it, and then it's good for like the rest of the week. Then I'll have like curly hair or whatever. But most of the time when I do straighten my hair, this is how it comes out, and I usually love having the straight look, but I also love having curls, so it's nice to have a bit of both. So this is how I do my hair. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.